Did I answer your question? Was it good enough for you? Maybe I'm in a bad mood, or maybe it's just every day. Bad weather is a good excuse for being depressive some days. In my imagination, nothing easy like. Well, I don't know, but you know it better, honey, you know it better. Well, I don't know, but you know it better, baby, you know it better. I don't my first impression, but now my eyes are wide open. I know that is a fact, and I try to protect myself from